Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the upcoming 2025 Nissan Murano. Let's dive into what we know so far about this SUV's design, performance, features, and expected pricing. The 2025 Murano is expected to sport a redesigned exterior with a sharper, more stylish look. The rear quarter window will have a pinched design, and the roofline will be swept back for a more aerodynamic appearance. Overall, it seems like Nissan is taking the Murano in a bolder direction. While earlier rumors suggested a possible electric version, recent spy photos reveal exhaust vapors, hinting that the 2025 Murano might stick with an internal combustion engine. The familiar 3.5-liter V6 from the previous generation might make a comeback, but here's some good news: we might see a swap to the 9-speed automatic transmission from the Nissan Pathfinder, replacing the 2024 Murano's continuously variable automatic transmission. This could potentially lead to a smoother and more engaging driving experience. The 2025 Murano is expected to retain its 2-row, 5-seat layout offered in various trim levels. Pricing is estimated to start around $37,000 for the base S trim and could reach up to $49,000 for the top-of-the-line Platinum trim. Here's a breakdown of the expected pricing for different trims. S $37,000 estimated. SV $40,000 estimated. SL $43,000 estimated. Platinum $49,000 estimated. Nissan hasn't officially announced the release date yet, but stay tuned for further updates as we get closer to the launch. The 2025 Nissan Murano is shaping up to be a stylish and potentially more powerful SUV. While we don't have confirmation about an electric version yet, the familiar V6 engine and the possibility of a new transmission are interesting developments. Keep your eyes peeled for more information on the release date and any additional features Nissan might reveal. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts about the 2025 Nissan Murano in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates.